المنتج التالي مشروع مواصفات عالمية، ويتماشى مع خطة دولة الإمارات للاستدامة.
Assalamu alaikum, Sharks. I am Salman from India.
And I am Mihai from Romania. We are the founders of Fuse.
It's no secret that electric vehicles are a solution that we need for the planet. With climate change and pollution, a lot of manufacturers are moving towards electrification, but it's just not happening fast enough.
Imagine that you have today a solution to decarbonize difficult sectors like fleet or industrial vehicles.
That is where we come in. At Fuse, we convert existing vehicles from petrol to electric while also offering them at affordable prices that compete with or beat existing new petrol vehicles.
How do we do what we do? Well, first, we take out the existing petrol engine from the car. We design a custom solution for the vehicle, and then we install the new electric powertrain.
We've done quite a lot of cars. We started with classic cars, the world's smallest car here, the PUP50, but the scale-up of our business is around the commercial sector. And so what you see there is our first commercial kit offering. It's a plug-and-play kit. We're offering that at a price of less than 100,000 dirhams to give fleet operators the chance to save up to 20% or more on their total cost of ownership.
Our business has already generated over 1.5 million dirhams. We're looking at least 250 million dirhams in revenue.
To do this, we're seeking 5.8 million dirhams for 15% equity in our business Fuse.
So come join us into changing the future of mobility together.
Thank you for your presentation. Can you tell us about your background?
I'm an electrical engineer from Romania. Salman is actually my first friend from UAE.
And I've spent my time doing mechanical engineering. I got graduated from Imperial College in London.
I understand the conversion business. I didn't quite understand this thing. So can you please explain to me what it does?
It's a plug-and-play kit that you just take and you install. You have to take out the old engine. You have to take out everything that is related to the petrol line.
We've seen several of these sorts of companies in the market. What makes you guys different?
One thing that we've done is that we developed the plug-and-play kit, whereas a lot of them require you to come into the shop. Our goal is to be able to have these kits sent out so that the end user can then install it themselves with our help.
You know, most people, and I fall in the most people category, are relatively uncomfortable installing something in their own car.
The kits are, their purpose is for fleet owners to decarbonize their fleets faster. It's not, I'm not gonna send this to your home and say, deal with it. Fleet owners, they already have their shops where they maintain their vehicles. What we can do, deliver them the kit, train a bit their people, and then they can just install the kits themselves.
What is the original price in its current form, the combustion engine?
Somewhere in the region of between 120 to 140,000 dirhams.
Your conversion is 100,000 dirhams.
We're targeting a price actually of about 72,000 dirhams because at that price we have our margin at about our gross margin at about 50%.
But you're not taking into consideration how much you will spend on petrol and how much you will spend on maintenance over the next, let's say, 10 years.
I don't think we are debating much the electric versus the combustion engine. Do we go for conversion versus new electric vehicles?
Price for electric vehicles, the ones that we have in the market for vans, somewhere between 160 and 200,000 dirhams. Even if you're saving money once you buy a new EV, would not compete well with petrol. With our conversion, we can actually go electric and then save money.
But it's not the same product. The new products come with a whole shebang of stuff.
And new products are becoming cheaper and cheaper.
There are 1.6 billion cars on the road today. We can't just throw them away and replace them with new vehicles. The people that we are addressing to are people that do not have the means to change today entire fleet to electric vehicle.
When you change the engine, what happens to the original warranty of the car?
What we're trying to do with the vehicles that we target are generally vehicles that would have been
Beyond.
Old cars.
written down past the warranty period. So we're looking really at one generation before.
And then they have an issue with the car. Where do they send it? Who fixes it?
We offer a 5 years unlimited kilometers on the powertrain of the vehicle, so that's what we provide. That covers any issues that happen with the powertrain.
Guys, can you tell us a little bit about the kit? What is built by you? What is bought from somewhere else?
The motor, the battery components are bought, but all of the design work that happens and the fitment of the exact kit into the vehicle all happens in-house. And then the software that we develop on top to sit is also developed in-house.
What are your sales and profitability for this year?
At the current moment, in the last 12 months, we've made about 1.5 million dirham in revenue. Our gross margin on the profit is about 50%. Our net margin is about 20%.
Just on the numbers, how are you going to jump from 1.4 to 250?
You see, there are two main directions in which our company has operated. One is classic cars, and right now we're moving into this kind of commercial fleet.
We're already in talks to have a series of kits, up to 100 kits a month by the end of the next year.
I love what you're doing. I think what you're doing is amazing for everyone, for the environment, for consumers. I'm still not convinced on the business case of the kits. So I have a problem with the scalability of your model. So I decline to invest, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
I like the kit idea. I think, and I see what you guys are doing. My problem is the cost of the product. The second part is obviously the valuation. I think it's way in excess of where the business is right now. So for that, I wish you the best of luck, but I'm also not participating at this stage.
So guys, I love what you're doing. My main issue is that I think this is an industry that's just at the start. And today, for where you are, your valuation's quite high. And for those reasons, I'm out. But I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Guys, I've looked at this space extensively for years. One conversion company after the other. Great technology, a lot of promise, but it just never takes off. The infrastructure is still not there. And so I'm just not willing to take a timing risk on an investment. But I wish you best of luck.
So I will second some of Yusuf's thoughts as well. I think the inflection point you guys are looking for, it's consumer behavior change. And consumer behavior change always takes time, and it's a lot more about luck than wisdom. Unfortunately, you can't time luck. So similarly, hopefully you will hit that inflection point. And then if you are still looking for a partner, would love to take the conversation further. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The 5 sharks declined to invest. We wish you all the best and good luck. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The reason that the sharks declined were addressable.
It is what it is, right? I mean,
Yeah.
but hopefully we can make something else out of it, and
It's okay, we'll prove it, prove that this is a solution.
فينا ناخذها لفة؟
نطلع بالسيارة هيك بنطلع بنعملها.
يلا.
فرجينا اياها من جوا اول شيء.
في مكان نركب معك؟
انا كلوستروفوبيك.
Yusuf.
Guys, come behind.
شغل. روح.
بيقولوا لنا استثمروا وخربوا سياراتنا بعد. Imagine it just flips.
وين وسهلا فيها.
جرب.
يلا هذاك.
ليش
مثل
جملة وكذا يعني.
اسمع مثل الفلينستونز ريول تحت.